the cards in the back.
Where'd Mommy go?
Yeah.
Where's she at?
Yeah. Want to do it?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Who's that? Who is that?
My
I don't know where it's at. Maybe I left it at. No, there.
Tell Mommy bye-bye. She's going in
Bye,
the store.
Lila.
So I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon, okay? Huh? I love you. I love you too. I'll see you in a minute, okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're okay? Is Mommy okay?
Yeah.
Ask Mommy, are you okay?
Yeah.
That wasn't right. Okay.
I don't know. Where did Mommy go?
Bye-bye.
She went bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
I forgot my phone.
Mommy.
Hi! Mommy forgot her phone.
It's dead.
Oh yeah. Never mind. Later, Tater. Bye.
Bye. Mommy don't.
I don't know. Where'd she go?
Mommy don't.
Where'd she go?
Huh?